A great woman can be an asset and bring joy and success to your life, but a female narcissist is a liability that will only bring you down and make it impossible for you to get ahead. Welcome to Financial Psychology. Today we are going to cover 15 traits of the female narcissist, so you can know the warning signs to avoid her or learn about how to protect yourself. Because if you found yourself in a relationship with one, the reality is narcissistic abuse is incredibly damaging for all victims who are exposed to it. Let's get started. Number 1. She acts like she's God's gift to the world. A female narcissist walks around acting like she's better than every other woman that ever walked the planet. She swears she's God's gift to men. For the narcissist, appearance is everything. She will make sure her hair is always done up and wearing makeup and designer clothing. She wants to project to the world that she is hot and everyone wants her. She is obsessed with looks, and not just hers, but yours and everyone else she associates with. She views the people around her as a reflection of herself, so if you don't look the part, she will make sure she knows how embarrassed she is of you. Everything about the female narcissist is superficial. She has no interest in the things that truly matter about being a human being, like character and values. Unless, of course, it's just an act to get people to think she's better than she is. But the reality is, she is oozing with envy for other women who are genuinely confident and happy with themselves, because deep down, she hates herself. Number 2, she is extremely jealous. Narcissists tend to portray an image of excessive confidence and arrogance. However, beneath the surface lies deep-rooted envy. This is because she assumes everyone else is jealous of her too. Why wouldn't they be? She's God's gift, remember? She also loves to gossip and talk about her friends behind their backs because she knows they're talking about her too. When she is with you or her friends, she'll talk about how amazing she is and how she got the best skin cream at the store that you can't afford, or how everyone at work would be lost without her. But heaven forbid someone else has something better than her. Even with her friends, she'll act jealous and envious of their achievements. A lot of jealousy comes into play largely because of her competitiveness, lack of self-love, and inability to validate her own self. Number 3, she is a drama queen. Narcissists get bored very quickly. She thrives in chaos and cannot be happy when life is quiet and stable. And because she is superficial and deep down hates herself and hates everyone else too, she loves to make everyone around her miserable. She often seeks out anger and drama to feel more alive. When retelling stories of herself or past experiences, she may become loud and overly dramatic. She will turn on her friend for some perceived backstabbing. Maybe she heard from another friend that this friend was talking about how shallow she is behind her back, so she will condemn her friend, and you will have to hate her too. Otherwise, you are taking her friend's side, and you obviously don't love her. Number 4, she is extremely competitive. A female narcissist needs to be the center of attention and use people as a way to feed her ego. She needs to be constantly reminded of her greatness, and everything she does should be praised. And whatever it is that makes her so amazing must also be acknowledged by everyone around her, because remember, she is perfect. She needs to believe she is the best in all circumstances, even with her own children. And if she doesn't achieve something she thought she deserved, she will find some excuse as to why she lost and likely blame you. Of course, it was your fault she lost her promotion at work. You distracted her from focusing on her job by taking her out too much. Number 5, she uses her sexuality as a weapon. Since she needs everyone to want her and think she's hot, she will inappropriately flirt and use her body to get attention. Female narcissists are masters at seduction and will use sexuality to get what she wants from you, whether it's money, power, or attention. And because she is loyal only to herself, she'll have no problem with dating several men at once to maximize all the perks of being adored by a man. and because she has no morals, she will likely hook up with your cousin or best friend, and then dump you to start dating him since he was the easiest to manipulate at the time. But don't worry, she probably won't keep those relationships for long. Female narcissists have trouble with keeping long-term relationships. Number 6, she makes you feel crazy. She might make you think that she doesn't care about you at all, or that she's not paying attention, but lo and behold, she is listening to you, watching you, and knows what to say or do to make you upset. She is the master at playing games, and you think you are going crazy. She will manipulate you with punishments if you don't do what she wants. She is very good at using tactics such as silent treatment and withholding affection, and will neglect and abandon those around her, be it you, her children, or her friends, as a punishment for hurting her feelings or to get her way. Number 7, she's extremely sensitive. Most regular, mature women are able to take criticism in stride, evaluate the things said, and use it as a tool to learn or connect with the people around them. You can take that and throw it out the window with a female narcissist. She is too consumed with herself and trying to be perfect that she cannot handle anything that can be even remotely considered criticism. You will be met with a brutal attack and extreme defensiveness, or that will make you feel like a terrible human being. There is no winning, no compromise, or conflict resolution with a female narcissist, unless you are admitting you were wrong for having an opinion or a need that doesn't fit her agenda. And if you hurt her feelings, whether you meant to or not, you best believe she will get you back, because you deserved it for hurting her. Number 8, she has no boundaries. She does not respect anyone's boundaries, especially with you or her friends or family. She believes her opinion is always needed, and that no matter what you are doing, if she needs something, you should drop everything you are doing to help her. She will not respect other people's personal space. She has a habit of taking whatever you have and expects you to be grateful for it. Moreover, she usually doesn't wait for an invitation and will come to your house unannounced. And if you try to tell her to stop, she will either ignore you or get angry and guilt you by saying you don't love her. Number 9, she is materialistic. Female narcissists love money. She loves spending it and will surround herself with people who have a lot of it in an attempt to manipulate them into spending on her. And the more expensive the price tag, the better. She enjoys showing off her possessions in an attempt to make herself appear better than everyone else and provoke envy in others. She doesn't care whether you can afford it or not, because if you don't buy her that Prada bag, then you don't care about her. Because to her, clothes, cars, handbags, and jewelry makes her feel valuable and worthy. But the problem is that with the hole in her heart, no matter how much she has, it will never be big enough to fulfill her. Number 10, she will turn people against each other. She's a pro at stirring the pot. Female narcissists are well known for causing arguments between family and friends. They'll often tell one person something about another, hoping this will start an issue between them. If you have the misfortune of being in a relationship with a female narcissist, then you know all too well that they often exaggerate their stories to get you stirred up and angry at someone else. You might even get caught in the middle when they try to create drama between you and one of their exes or someone they work with. It's something these ladies are good at. Number 11, she is fake. If you're good at picking up on people's vibes, a female narcissist is easy to detect. They give off a phony aura and come across as really fake. Initially, she can be very charming, but you can tell she's not genuine from far away. If you can't, then we hope you've been paying attention to this video so far. Trauma bonds are an insidious form of manipulation that can leave people feeling confused, powerless, and even trapped in a dangerous relationship. Narcissists wear masks to hide their true personalities and intentions. While it may seem like she is kind and caring at first, her true colors will come out once she's successfully gained control. All too often, this involves gaslighting or cheating to create a bond of fear and dependency. Emotional abuse is often characterized by a pattern of inflicting emotional distress and then trying to make up with affection afterward. Number 12, she antagonizes people. She will bring drama with her wherever she goes. She's argumentative and has a short temper, often lashing out at those around her with intense anger. Her behavior can be off-putting and difficult to deal with, but it also reveals an underlying struggle with emotions that she keeps hidden from the world. The power of personality can make or break relationships. When someone's true, abrasive personality starts to shine through, it can be damaging to the trust and happiness in close relationships. It's only a matter of time before these negative traits start to take a toll, making it of the utmost importance for you to understand your own personality and how you interact with others. Number 13, she's never satisfied. One of the common traits of a narcissist is feeling empty and hollow, unable to find emotional fulfillment in their lives. For female narcissists, this void is often filled by seeking attention, affection, and validation from others. We've all known someone like her. She is never satisfied no matter how much she has. No matter how much attention you give her or how many things you buy her, she will never find fulfillment and satisfaction, only fleeting moments of pleasure. Number 14, she fears abandonment. She may put up a strong front that she has it all together, but beneath the surface, she is struggling with insecurity. She may be engaging in behavior that is emotionally intense, antagonistic, or passive-aggressive, all of which can be signs of underlying anxiety and fear of abandonment. However, the fear of loss isn't due to her love and care for you. Narcissists lack empathy and have difficulty experiencing emotions such as love, guilt, and shame. Rather, she fears losing all the benefits she's getting from the relationship and will do almost anything to avoid the loss. Number 15, she demands a lot of attention. Lastly, if the woman you're questioning has an inflated ego and enjoys being in the limelight, it's a sign of narcissism. She'll do anything to be seen, like post photos that are a bit on the risque side on Instagram. Female narcissists have a habit of being loud and aggressive in order to draw attention their way. Plus, they're known for being clingy and overpowering in relationships, to keep their man's attention solely on them. Have you experienced any relationships with women like this? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for spending some time today with us at Financial Psychology. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell.